In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Square Appointments account. Whether you're simplifying your business tools or moving to a new system, ensuring you know how to properly close out your account is crucial. So let's dive straight into the steps you need to follow to deactivate your Square Appointments account smoothly and securely. First things first, you need to navigate to the Square website. Square provides a range of tools for businesses, including appointment scheduling, so it's crucial we start at the right place. Once you're there, the next step is quite straightforward. Simply click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing the personalized areas of your Square account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to input your email address. Ensure you type in the email associated with your Square account to avoid any login issues. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure to double check your password for typos to ensure a smooth sign-in process. After ensuring your details are correct, click the Sign In button to access your Square dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the Square dashboard itself. The dashboard is essentially the nerve center of your Square account, where you can access various features and settings, including those we need to deactivate your account. The next step involves a bit of navigation. You'll need to click on your store name, which is usually located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This is where all the setting options for your account reside. From here, select Account Settings. This section allows you to adjust your Square account's preferences and settings. Inside the account settings, look for the My Business section and click on it. It's in this area where you'll find details pertinent to your business's operational aspects within Square. Once there, navigate and click on the About section. This section contains information about your business, including the option we're looking for, Deactivate Your Business. Click on Deactivate Your Business and Square will likely ask you to confirm your choice or provide a reason for deactivation. This step is vital as it ensures you're making an informed decision about terminating your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the deactivation. It's key to remember that deactivating your business account is a significant step. Depending on the platform's policy, it might mean that your account data and history could become inaccessible. Therefore, it's always a good idea to ensure all necessary data is backed up or exported before fully committing to this step. After you've made your way through the deactivation process, you might wonder, what next? Well, it's always wise to double check that your account has been successfully deactivated. To do that, attempt to navigate back to your Square dashboard. If you're unable to access the dashboard as you normally would, then it's a good indication that the deactivation process was successful. However, if for some reason you need to access your account again, or you believe there has been a mistake, try signing in once more. If your account is still active, you'll gain access. If not, you might need to contact Square support for further assistance. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to deactivating your Square Appointments account. It's a fairly straightforward process, but each step is crucial to ensure you securely close out your account. Remember to take the time to ensure all necessary financial reports or customer data is safely exported before you complete the deactivation process. This way you ensure that the transition away from Square is as smooth and as trouble-free as possible. Whether you're consolidating your business tools or moving to a new platform, taking these careful steps ensures your business's digital transition is clear and concise.